What if you earn rewards just by holding crypto? That's the idea behind staking. It's one of the most important concepts in Web3, and today we're going to break it down. We'll cover what staking is, why it matters, and how MetaEarth is taking staking to a whole new level with our MEC token and universal staking model. So let's start simple. Staking is the process of locking up your tokens to help secure a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. It's the backbone of proof-of-stake systems, where instead of massive amounts of energy like Bitcoin mining, validators are chosen to process transactions based on how much crypto they've staked. Think of like putting your money in a savings account, except instead of a bank paying you interest, the blockchain pays you directly for helping run the system. But staking isn't just about earning rewards, it plays three key roles. First, security. The more tokens staked, the harder it is to attack the network. Second, participation. Staking often gives you a voice in governance, letting you vote on upgrades and proposals. And third, incentives. Rewards encourage people to hold tokens long-term, which stabilizes the economy. Without staking, many proof-of-stake blockchains simply couldn't function. Now let's talk about MetaEarth. Our MEC token is designed with a unique staking economy built in. Every verified user earns one permanently staked MEC token when they complete their MeID verification. That token will generate rewards based on the annual APY, which halves every year, creating a sustainable, fair, and deflationary system. Beyond that, users can stake additional MEC to support the network and earn more rewards. Here's what makes it different. Universal staking, one account, one identity, one stake. No fake wallets, no cyber attacks, thanks to MeID. Real-world tie-ins, staked MEC underpins key applications like on-chain UBI distribution, carbon footprint tracking, and DAO governance. And global reach. With validator nodes in dozens of countries, stakers help secure a truly decentralized and inclusive network. This isn't just staking for yield, it's staking with purpose. So how does it work? In practice, first download the MetaEarth app. Second, set up your wallet and complete your MeID verification. That's when you automatically receive your first permanently staked MEC token. From there, you can choose to stake more MEC tokens if you like. Rewards are paid directly into your wallet, no middleman, no extra steps. And because the reward rate halves every year, early adopters benefit the most. But unlike inflationary staking systems, this design keeps MEC's economy sustainable for the long term. Staking on MetaEarth isn't just about passive income. It's about securing a global network, empowering decentralized governance, and driving real-world impact. By staking MEC, you're not just earning rewards, you're helping build the backbone of a digital economy designed for people, not corporations. So that's staking in Web3 and why MetaEarth is doing it differently. Download the MetaEarth app today, verify your MeID, and claim your first permanently staked MEC token. Start staking, start earning, and start building the future of decentralization with us. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to learn how staking works in Web3.